Welcome back. This is Adventures with Dr. Joe. Today we're going to change the battery on this Mercedes-Benz GLE key fob. This is a 2024 AMG, but this works well for many other ones. The battery we're going to use is a CR2032, and I'll leave a link in the description. The first step is to depress this little button right here and pull out the emergency key. Then use this little button as a grip, pull this back, and this cover comes right off. Then inside here, this is where the battery is. And you can use the key, the emergency key, which has a narrow tip, to basically get in here and bring this out. And when you do, voila, here's the battery. CR2032. And it goes plus side down, so you put the new battery in here, and the negative side is up, slips back into the case. Okay, so it goes in the back of the case with the battery side down and the plastic part up, and then that fits in there just like that. Cover goes back on by moving it up and clicking it. Just like that. Emergency key goes back in, and you're set. If this was helpful, please click thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Again, the link to the batteries is in the description. Thank you.